Welcome everybody to this edition of Attention Talk Video. I'm your host, ADHD and Attention Coach Jeff Copper, and I'm here today to talk about awareness. It's been interesting to me over the years in my own personal life, in coaching and interviewing the experts about how awareness is described. Quite honestly, it's kind of described like a thing, like a noun. It's I'm aware. Awareness to me is really a verb. It's a process. It's an ongoing type of a thing. It's not just really kind of static, and awareness can be situational, and a person can move in and out of awareness within a conversation or in life and really whatever. And it's been fascinating to me to shift my mindset to look at awareness as a verb. It's a constant thing that you're doing. And the reason I'm sharing this is people, I think, will take snapshots of awareness. Like, I was aware then, I was aware over there, but they're not aware throughout their day. They're really kind of not watching themselves. It's kind of like a groundhog, if you will, kind of going and sticking its head out of the ground, looking where it is and starting to dig somewhere else. And again, practically, I've learned over the years that solutions are really good, but mindsets are really more powerful because it's a moving picture. And what I'm here to describe in the concept really is awareness is a verb. It's ongoing type thing, and it's something that one should stay in the mindset for on a regular basis and not just do some snapshots. I know this is a little bit different tip than what we've had before in the past, but and some of you might need to chew on this thing for a little bit because it takes a while really for it to sink in. Because it took me a long time really to notice the way that people reference it. Again, they talk about it very much as a data point or a noun or a thing as opposed to a verb, which is more of an ongoing process. Awareness is a part of your day as you go through, and people who think they're aware, as I say, move in and out of awareness throughout that day. Some more than others, some less than others, but the more you're aware of how aware you are as a process, I think that will help you manage what's going on. Always love tips. Please make some comments. Did you like the video? Did you not? Is this insightful to you? Can you apply it? Very interested in those thoughts. Please subscribe to our channel. Weekly we release very short, well, mostly really short tidbits and tips to kind of help those with ADHD kind of wrestle with the implementation of the strategies that they're told. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope you've gained some insight. Again, I'm anxious to hear your comments. Hope you have a great one. Take care.